How to fix Google Search Console 404 error. Getting 404 errors reported in Google Search Console can happen due to a few reasons. Here are some troubleshooting tips. 1. Check if the URL is correct or falsely showing 404. Validate by accessing it directly. 2. See if the page ever existed or was deleted recently. If deleted, let Google know through removal tool. 3. If URL is correct, check for site backend errors preventing accessing the page. Fix the errors. 4. Look up site logs for clues on any redirections causing 404. Fix incorrect redirections. 5. Test site crawlability by fetch and render in Search Console. See if Google can access. 6. Submit new sitemap to Search Console and fetch new pages with valid URLs. 7. If errors persist, resubmit the URLs reporting 404s through Mark as Fixed tool. 8. Add proper 404 error handling method site-wide using custom pages/redirections. Keep monitoring Search Console and focus on providing access to valid indexed pages. The 404s should reduce over time as Google recrawls fixed pages. Let me know if any other specifics needed with resolving your 404 errors.